Gumbo. It's a dish that sings of Louisiana, a delicious mix of cultures and flavors. It's been simmering for centuries. From Native American tribes to French settlers, everyone added their touch. West African slaves brought okra, a key ingredient. The Spanish introduced tomatoes, adding a new layer of flavor. And the name? It might come from the West African word for okra, gumbo. Gumbo is more than just a dish. It's a story in every bowl. It reflects the history and the heart of Louisiana's diverse people. What makes a great gumbo? Let's talk about the flavor heroes. First up, the holy trinity of vegetables, onion, celery, and green bell pepper. They build the flavor base. Next, the roux. This mix of fat and flour is cooked low and slow to a deep, nutty brown. It gives gumbo its signature rich taste and color. Seafood is the star. Shrimp, crab, crawfish, oysters, or fish. Take your pick or use a combination. And don't forget the spices. Cayenne pepper, paprika, and bay leaves add warmth and depth. Ready to cook? First, make the roux. In a heavy pot, melt fat and whisk in flour. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly until it reaches your desired color. This takes time, but patience is key. Add the holy trinity and cook until softened. Then stir in your spices and cook for a few minutes more. Now pour in your stock and bring it to a boil. Reduce heat, cover, and let it simmer for at least an hour to develop those deep flavors. Add your seafood during the last 30 minutes of cooking. Don't overcook it. Serve your gumbo hot over a scoop of rice. The roux is the soul of gumbo. It takes patience and practice to master. Use a heavy-bottomed pot to prevent burning. Equal parts fat and flour are key. You can use oil, butter, or even bacon fat for a richer flavor. Low and slow is the way to go. It can take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes, or even longer, to achieve that perfect deep brown color. Don't rush the process. Stir frequently to prevent sticking and burning. The darker the roux, the richer and deeper the flavor of your gumbo.